Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we got a kind of a tool review going on here. This is something I bought about 2 months ago. I've been using it, trying it out, making sure it was a quality product before I even made a video or anything on it. What we got here is a mower blade sharpener made by America Sharpener. Like I said, I've been using this thing for about 2 months. I've put about 30 blades through it. This thing is the cat's meow. I've been doing small engine work and everything, and sharpening blades and stuff for going on 30 years, and this is one of the most accurate, easy, repeatable grinds that you'll ever get. I had a wheel grinder, looks like a bench grinder, made by Lesco. It's a commercial sharpener. That thing has nothing on this. This thing is like way set up, awesome. Of course, this is the top of the line model they sell. Bring you around here. It has adjustments here for your different angles that you want on your blade. You can go from a 15 to a 45 degree angle on your blades. For doing the mulching blades, you know the two different angles there. It'll do right-handed, left-handed blades. I bought the adapter to do Honda push mower blades. They do make some other adapters. The way this thing works is you'd use a right angle grinder. Mounts to your arm here, and oops, that arm kind of bends down like that, and then you just bring this thing up and run it, up the blade here and up the blade here, and like I said, this blade will tilt and get you the right angle for this upper part on the mulching blade, and then on the regular cut part. So, but yeah, this thing here, it is the cat's meow. I love this thing. Well worth the money I spent on it. So I'll give you guys a demonstration. Let me get you set up in a tripod, and we'll fire this thing up and sharpen a couple blades. Alright guys, I got you all set up here, and hopefully you can see good. I'm going to do this upper part here first. This is probably going to get really loud for you guys, so I'll probably mute it in the processing of the video, but I'm going to show you what it'll do here. Just a few passes on there, guys, and that thing is sharp. Now I'm going to change the angle on it, and we're going to do this upper part here, and there's just a thumb screw underneath here, and just bring it up one click. And that's all it takes, guys. A few quick passes, and that thing is sharp enough you can, sorry about that, didn't mean to kick you. That thing is sharp enough that you can probably shave with it. Now, when I get done sharpening it, I will run it on the back side just to take any burr that happens to be on there off. But just as easy, flip it around. And we're already set up for this part here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that one. There's that part. I'll reach down here, and I will bring it back one more click here. Alright, there you go, guys. This is the All-American Sharpener, sold by All-American Sharpener. Like I said, I love this machine. Best sharpener I've ever used. I got one more blade over here. Well, we'll go ahead and fire it up. And we'll do that one. These blades were in some bad shape. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, there you have it. Review of the All-American Sharpener, mower blade sharpener. I'll take the grinder to the back side here, and yes, I will balance them. I'm just off in a little corner here, and my balancer's over on my other bench, so we'll get those balanced and make sure they're all good. But look them up on the internet, guys. Check these things out. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the all, catch out all the videos. And as always, I do these videos for you guys. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be doing them. Appreciate all of you checking everything out, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.